This is the head and neck model of the Somso model, the right and left halves. So we have the frontal bone here, and the frontal sinuses, the parietal bone, the occipital bone is right here on the back. Then we have the temporal bone, which is underneath this muscle. You can see it here. This is the temporal bone. Then we have the zygomatic bone, it's your cheekbone, the maxillary bone. Then we have the nasal bone right here, the ethmoid bone right here. Then we have the sphenoid bone, which is right here, and the sphenoid sinuses. Then we have the mandible, which is your jawbone, and the clavicle, which sits in here. That's the clavicle. Then we have the sternum, the ribs, and the spine of the scapula is right here. Then we have sutures. We have the coronal suture, which is right here. Then this suture right here is the squamous suture. And then this suture in the back is the lambdoid suture. So if we turn it around, we have the coronal suture, which is right here. Then underneath this muscle is going to be the squamous suture. And on the back we have the lambdoid suture. And then the openings of the skull are the external acoustic meatus, which is in through the ear, the nasolacrimal canal, which is right here, the infraorbital foramen right underneath the eye, and the mental foramen going right through here.